TYPHON STOMP Mini Skid Steer Loader Key Features. 1. Compact design for small projects. Specially engineered for small construction projects, ensuring easy maneuverability. Ideal for farms, gardens, public spaces, parks, orchards, and more. 2. Versatile applications. Perfect for drilling, digging, grabbing, bulldozing, ditch cleaning, small excavations, rock breaking, landscaping, and construction purposes. 3. Compact yet powerful. Features a small but high-performance yet economical 13.5 HP engine for smooth functionality. Withstands intensive construction projects without sacrificing performance. 4. User-friendly design. Hydraulic four-wheel drive for easy maneuverability. Maximum torque of 50 Nm at 3000 RPM ensures efficient operation. TYPHON STOMP Skid Steer Loader. Successful mini projects. Our skid steer loader, the TYPHON STOMP, is engineered for small projects, offering easy maneuverability and superior performance. Additional features: skid steer loader tailored for small projects. Includes a standard digging bucket. Achieves speeds of up to 5.5 take-up. Lifting capacity exceeds 830 lbs. Small yet powerful engine. Demonstrates outstanding resistance and durability. Ensures easy maneuverability. Suitable for public spaces, small construction sites, gardens, farms, orchards, municipal works, parks, roads, and landscaping. Provides an excellent solution for drilling, ditch cleaning, trench digging, bulldozing, grabbing, rock breaking, and more. Your construction projects, our commitment. Choose the TYPHON STOMP Skid Steer Loader for successful construction projects. Our equipment, designed for reliability and performance, ensures your ventures are completed efficiently.